Hello, my name is Robert Logue, and I'm the owner and operator of Clearstone Laser Hair Removal and Medical Spa. Alright, so every company across the entire nation claims to have the very best laser systems. But what they don't do is tell you why. So I'm here today to try to explain why our laser systems are so unique in today's marketplace, and why we here at Clearstone can give you the safest and most effective results possible. So to begin, you must first understand that there are four main different types of systems on the marketplace, each of which is geared towards producing a different degree of balancing safety and efficacy. You have your Alexandrite laser systems, your diode laser systems, your NDYAG laser systems, and finally your IPL machines. While certainly not technically a laser system, they're very frequently used due to their versatility. So let's begin with the Alex. Clearstone actually employs the most sophisticated Alex and NDYAG laser systems on today's marketplace. We've selected these two wavelengths of light because we're able to safely and most effectively treat all skin types with those two systems. Why is that the case? Well, Alexandrite laser systems give you the highest melanin absorption, which is important because after all, what we're trying to accomplish is effective absorption of the light within the melanin within your hair follicle to heat it up to kill it. So effective melanin absorption is exactly what you want to obtain. So we actually select Alexandrite laser systems over, say, diode laser systems because the energy absorption within the hair follicle is much more effectively achieved with the Alex than the diode. As a consequence, we're able to do a much better job, particularly on finer, lighter, thinner hair than what a diode laser system is otherwise able to accomplish. Our NDYAG laser systems play a very important role. While the melanin absorption is much less, it introduces a wonderful safety parameter for treating darker skin types. We're able to treat incredibly dark skin, Nigerian skin, amazingly safely and effectively due to the fact that we have the right laser system for the job. And then finally, there are of course IPL machines. We have several of the most powerful IPL machines on today's marketplace at our facility, but we never use them for laser hair removal. We find that it's more of a shotgun-like approach. You might kill the hair, but you're going to hit a lot of other things surrounding it that you don't want to really interact with. They're normally going to be the most painful and the least effective modality for treating hair removal across the largest demographic of people. So with that being said, Alexandrite and NDYAG laser systems certainly offer the best, most effective, and the safest results possible. But not all Alexandrite and NDYAG laser systems are created the same. That's really where we specialize. We use systems from LightAge, an American-based manufacturer from Somerset, New Jersey. They're actually the inventors of the Alexandrite laser system. Our systems are actually customized for our clinic, not attainable elsewhere. They're the most powerful, most sophisticated Alex and NDYAG systems on today's marketplace. And what I mean by that is, unlike the most popular systems, we are able to afford a much greater degree of control as to the energy and its application onto your skin, really allowing for an amazing fine-tuning and a customization of the energy, its parameters, and its settings as applied to your skin with its unique melanin composition and the contrast to which it presents from your hair follicle. So why are our laser systems so unique? It really comes into play with our smart screen user interface and the ability to control the energy as it's applied to your skin. Clearstone is able to generate some of the largest spot sizes in the industry. We're able to achieve an 18mm spot size. Just recently, the industry has introduced a 24mm spot size as being the largest out there. And certainly while the largest, and maybe even the latest, it does not mean by any stretch of the imagination it's the greatest. Speed should not be the main game. It really should be efficacy and safety. So for that reason, Clearstone is very proud to employ some of the largest spot sizes, but nothing too in excess. We employ a 15mm and an 18mm spot size for the majority of our treatments. Certainly, the size is important. You want something just large enough so that you can apply effective cooling and account for what's called a scatter effect, but not go too large where you're going to cause bulk heating and potential thermal injury. Theory has shown that the absolute most optimal spot size is within that range, but it is rather large so that we're able to effectively treat in a relatively timely and effective manner. So your treatments will be fast, but safe and effective. Now our system does offer the fastest hertz rate in the industry. By hertz rate, I mean pulse rate. We're able to control this pulse rate from anywhere from 1 all the way up to 3 hertz. And it gives us this amazing ability to control the speed at which we treat, your comfort, the process of laser hair removal as pleasant as possible. But this is where we really start to shine. Unlike a lot of other laser systems, Clearstone employs technology that gives us an ability to control the pulse duration or pulse width unlike any other laser system on the marketplace. This really allows us to control if we pour the energy on your skin or if we're going to trickle the energy on your skin, and anywhere in between. No other laser system on the marketplace allows you this degree of control, where you're able to increase the increment by just 1 millisecond at a time, from anywhere from 0.125 milliseconds all the way up to 300 milliseconds. It's an amazing versatility of treatment parameter, and again, no other laser system on the marketplace gives you that range of treatment. And then finally, the fluence, or the amount of energy that you're going to apply per area squared space. So in this case, Clearstone really excels because we're able to increase your fluence by an increment of 1. Most systems on the marketplace, particularly those of Alex and NDYAG laser manufacturers, don't give you that capability, but rather they mainly give you the even numbers. The most popular platforms, such as the Candela laser systems, very popularly advertised and promoted as being the latest and the best technology, doesn't give you the ability to control the energy that we can. It will give you 12 joules of energy per centimeter squared. It'll give you 14, but it won't give you 13. The best analogy is like going to purchase a pair of pants, but they got a 26 and they have a 28. They don't have your 27. And as a consequence, something's just a little bit too tight or something's just a little bit too loose. It's just not right. We're able to get it just right. By being able to improve or being able to increase the fluence by just an increment of 1, we're able to really balance the safety and the efficacy unlike any other laser system on today's marketplace. Here at Clearstone, we're very selective about the technology that we employ for our guests. Another example of that would be the production of what's called a flat top or top hat beam profile. Our laser system incorporates what's called a mode scrambler, and it scrambles the molecules of the light so that by the time it comes out of the aperture, we receive what's called a top hat or flat top beam profile. That is to say that the energy is evenly distributed throughout that spot size, ensuring a consistent and safe treatment to your skin. Many laser systems don't produce that. Rather, they produce what's called a Gaussian curve, where you have a hot spot in the center and the energy quickly becomes weaker towards the periphery. That's a wonderful way to cause small isolated thermal injury to the skin, as well as at the same time undertreating the periphery. Interestingly enough, if you undertreat in laser hair removal, you can actually cause hair growth. So with a very consistent beam profile, we're able to ensure an aggressive but yet safe treatment throughout the entire spot size, yielding the absolute highest level of safety and efficacy attainable today. Clearstone is meticulous in its maintenance of the optics within our laser system, making sure that they're free of any debris or spots so that the energy is always consistently and evenly applied to your skin. The calibration of our laser systems is cross-checked with an external calibration meter, ensuring that no matter which treatment room you're taken into, that the treatment is always consistent as the calibration of each machine is set in uniform with one another. It's a level of service and dedication unseen in the industry before. We take great pride in providing the absolute highest level of service possible with meticulous maintenance of these systems. Clearstone further couples its industry-leading laser technology with the most advanced cooling technology available on today's marketplace. We incorporate the Zimmer Cryo 6. It blows cold air onto your skin at negative 18 to 35 degrees centigrade to provide and afford maximum protection and comfort to our guests. Most laser systems don't take advantage of this technology, but rather rely upon heat displacement through solid contact cooling modalities such as sapphire cooling tips or even cryogen spray. Such as the Candela systems, again, that are really touted as being the best systems on the marketplace. Those platforms integrate what's called dynamic cooling, or DCD for short, dynamic cooling device, that literally spray onto your skin cryogen spray, the exact same thing you put into your car to make your air conditioning system work, to afford protection to your skin. We've seen some amazing complications with that at other facilities. We certainly don't believe that that is the best cooling modality in the marketplace, as folks certainly can develop histamine reactions for cryogen spray, as well as cryogen burns, excessive erythema, which is that redness, as well as edema, the swelling. There is not a better way to cool and to protect your skin than through the use of the Zimmer Cryo 6. When taken together with our laser technology, you'll find that your treatments are going to be the most comfortable, most effective, and the safest out of anything available in the industry today. Clearstone is very excited to be able to offer this technology to our valued guests. Again, they're the most powerful, most sophisticated Alexandrite and NDYAG laser systems available on today's marketplace. We take these amazing systems and we place them in the hands of highly qualified, amazingly well-experienced laser hair removal professionals. Together, we're confident that you're not going to be able to find the quality of treatment, expertise, the safety, and the effectiveness of our platforms anywhere else throughout the country. Thank you again for visiting Clearstone Laser Hair Removal and Medical Spa. My name is Robert. Please do not hesitate to contact us with any questions, and we very much look forward to serving you soon.